Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to view Simple's customer support hours in 2025. That's the active hours that you can reach out to the customer support of Simple. So let's get straight into it, and I'm going to show you too. First step is going to be to log into your Simple account. So go ahead on Simple's website and log into your Simple account using your email address and your password. And then you're going to click on help. So click on the help button that's in the top navigation bar once you're signed into your account. And then you're going to select supporting hours. So from the drop down menu, go ahead and select support hours, and then you can view the support hours, including the days and times when Simple's customer support team are available for contact. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to view Simple's customer support hours in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.